You can save some serious cash by buying material in bulk when it comes to gardening or landscaping, but there's a lot of confusion for homeowners about what that jargon means that they use at the stone yard or at the material yard. So I'm going to kind of walk you through that so that you can feel more confident about how to save money by buying in bulk. Most places sell bulk material by the yard, but what does by the yard mean? It's actually a way of measuring bulk material, and it's a good way for you to figure out how much material you need for your project. So when we talk about a yard, we're not talking about like an area 3 feet long. What we're talking about is volume. So imagine a cube that's 3 feet wide, 3 feet tall, and 3 feet long, full of material. I'm actually sitting inside a 1 yard bucket right here just to show you what that might look like. This right here is a half yard bucket, and this one is a yard and a half. A yard is 27 cubic feet, and if you were to spread out a yard of any kind of material over 100 square feet, it would be 3 inches thick. In order to purchase bulk material, you're going to have a truck or a trailer, or you can have the stone yard deliver and dump straight at your house. The amount of material that your pickup truck can hold is going to depend on what type of material it is, because gravel is a lot heavier than mulch. But as a general rule, most trucks can hold about a yard of material. My last tip is to go online, like on our website, and look at a material calculator. You can put the dimensions of your raised bed or your flower beds in, and the depth that you're wanting to put the material, and it'll show you exactly how many yards you're going to need for your project.